Hare Krishna. So today let us see the story of Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. So first of all let us tell the pranam mantra. Gaura Virbhava Bhume Svam Nirdeshta Sajjana Priya Vaishnava Sarvabhauma Shri Jagannathaya Te Namaha. Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj is known to be as a Sarvabhauma, that is the leader of all the Vaishnava Acharyas. Now let us see some of the pastimes of Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. Just by hearing the stories of these great acharyas, we get a lot of mercy. And acharya means one who lives by example. So the first pastime I would like to tell about Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj is he was known as a Siddha Babaji. Siddha Babaji means he is a perfect realized soul. It is said that he would go on chanting Maha Mantra, that is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, continuously for 3 days and nights without eating, without sleeping, and he will break his fast only after 3 days, and that time also he will take some rice and yogurt, that is dahi. The first time, it is said that the first time Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, when he came to meet Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, this 3 days it extended into 11 days. So for 11 days, continuous Krishna Katha and chanting of the holy names, that is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. They continued. So for 11 days, they continued chanting the holy names of Krishna without sleeping, without eating, and after 11 days they broke their fast and Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur paid for the feast. So let us see the next pastime, that is Rasgullas. Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, he was over 100 years old, almost 150 years old. So he had to be carried in a basket. His personal servant was Bihari, who would carry Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj in a basket. Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, when he would go outside, people would come and give him some coins. Somebody will give 1 rupee, somebody will give him 2 rupees. So like this, all the money, whatever Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj would get in that basket, all of that money Bihari collected, and he had a bag in which he had collected all the money. So once Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, although Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, he would actually not collect the money, but he would know how much money was there in that bag. It's not that because he was attached to money, but still he would know how much money, he was conscious of that. So one day he called Bihari and he said, Bihari, how much money is there? So Bihari, he removed few rupees, around 12 rupees aside, and he calculated the remaining and told to Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, because he wanted to keep that 12 rupees to serve Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj later. But Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, although actually at that age his eyes were closed and somebody had to open his eyes for him to see something. But Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, in that condition also, he said, Bihari, why are you hiding some of the rupees? Please give me all the rupees. So then Bihari could not hide that money which he wanted to use for serving Jagannath Das Babaji. So he counted all the money and it came to 200 rupees. Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, he told to Bihari that you take this 200 rupees and buy rasgullas and feed all the cows in Navadvip. So Bihari asks that only for the cows, not for the people? No, they are not, all of them are not following all the rules and regulations, so just give the cows. So this is how Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj respected the cows, as because they were Dhamvasis. Dhamvasis means the animals that stay in the holy Dham. Holy Dham means like Tirupati, like Mayapur, like all these Vrindavan, these are holy Dhams. In the next pastime we can see is how he respected even the dogs in the holy Dham. It is said that every day when he was at this time when he was staying in Navadvip, he was staying in a tent. At that time, just beside the tent there was a dog which had given birth to 4 puppies. So it is said that every day when Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj would honor his prasadam, that time these puppies along with the dog, they'll come and they'll start licking from the plate of Jagannath Das Babaji. At that time, Bihari would come and he will go on shooing the puppies. So Jagannath Das Babaji, he told to Bihari, if you shoo the puppies away, even I will not eat. So Bihari said, Maharaj, this dogs are unclean. So Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj said, no, they are not unclean. They are dham dogs. They are dham basis. They are dogs of the holy dham. So if they eat from my plate, then only even I will eat. That is why this is how we see Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj respected the dogs of the holy dham. Also, there were these Bhagavatam readers. It is told about the Bhagavatam readers that sometimes there are people who read Bhagavatam as a profession. They try to recite it very professionally and they do it for attracting people, but not for the pleasure of Lord Krishna. So this type of act, Jagannath Das Babaji would say that it is like a prostitute. So this he would chastise, and listening to this, one person who used to recite Bhagavatam for attracting others, he changed his attitude and he became a Vaishnava and he started reading Bhagavatam for the pleasure of the Lord. And it is also said, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. This is another pastime where Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, who is the son of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, when he was 12 years old, he was a super scholar. He knew Vedic astrology. So when he came to Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj told to this boy who was just 12 years old that you should write a book on mentioning the dates of the appearance and the disappearance of the different acharyas and the different festivals. So that is how the Vaishnava Panjika, the calendar, was removed by Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, who was just 12 years old. So then we see once, this is a miracle that Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj did. Once one landlord named Srinath Rai, he came along with his friends to Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj and he said, where is Siddha Babaji here? So Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj looked here and said, there is no Siddha Babaji here. I am just an ordinary person like all of you. So the landlord, he knew that this is the Siddha Babaji, and they all requested Jagannath Das Babaji, can you please show a miracle? So Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj kept quiet for some time. Suddenly he took a stick and he started hitting like this. He started hitting on the ground. So then the landlord thought that maybe I must have committed some mistake by telling this great personality to show a miracle. So he said, please forgive us, Babaji Maharaj, for what we said. He said, no, don't worry. And he started hitting again. That time, then he said that, now see, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj is in Navadvip. Navadvip is in West Bengal. See the Indian map, he is in West Bengal and he is hitting, you know why? He is saying that in Radhakund, which is in Vrindavan, which is in Uttar Pradesh, there goat is eating the tulasi leaves in the ashram outside Lokanath Goswami Maharaj, who is another saint. So he was shooing away the goat which was eating away the leaves. So from West Bengal, he is showing the goat which is sitting in Uttar Pradesh. So just see, don't you think this is a miracle? So then the landlord, he came, he wanted to test this. So in those days, there was no SMS or WhatsApp or email IDs to check, what is happening. So he sent a telegram to Vrindavan to find out if it is true. So then he sent a telegram and he found out what happened, that really at this time there was a goat which was eating the leaves, but because somebody shooed away, so the goat left. So this showed the miracle of Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. So Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj ki jai. We'll see some more pastimes in our next video.